In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream ESPN on Discord without the black screen. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Google just like so on your PC, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and look up settings right over here and then just type in extension. So please go ahead and do that really quickly. Then go ahead and select on the first link that does appear, and this is basically going to allow you to adjust your Chrome settings, and we actually need to do this in order to adjust some settings in order to fix this issue. So after you went ahead and installed it, please make sure you select over here where it says extensions, and you make sure that the extension that says settings is actually pinned just like so. And all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select on it, then go ahead and press on settings. Once you're over here, please go to the search bar and type in accelerated right over here. Okay, yep, there you go. So you're going to see this option that says use graphics acceleration when available, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and turn that off. All right, and then after you relaunch, all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and load into ESPN, and then from there you should be able to go ahead and stream it onto Discord. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.